Tonight we're making patty melts on the Blackstone. We're doing them a little different this time though. We're going to make them similar to a Crunchwrap. But step one is get the onions cooked. Mine's still over here because mine's really thin, so he won't put that on till like the last couple minutes of these two. There's mine. There's mine, and I've also got tostadas because, like I said, we're going to make it into basically a crunch wrap. So it's in a tortilla. We got tostadas, and we have Thousand Island, got pepper jack, cheese on top, grilled onions, and my burger patty. So I'm going to put on the Thousand Island first, and then the tostada. Not sure how much I want. I guess probably about like that. Put a tostada shell on top, and my husband can figure out how to fold it up and get it back to the grill. There's tostada. And tostada shells for the other two as well.
I can do that with this one too.
To make it sticky.
Well, and it was kind of, see how it's kind of a cup?
Fancy, fancy. Watch that roll up, you guys. He's super fancy. You'd think he'd work at Taco Bell or something, but he doesn't.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
But I mean, it looks like the bottom of a Crunchwrap from Taco Bell.
Making it look good.
Looks great. There we go. Awesome sauce.
Get them on here.
Okay, I'm going to cut this open so we can see what it looks like in the middle of it. It's pretty crispy. This is what it looks like. Not good. Looks good.